Hey guys, it's Chris from Heatshield Products, and today we're going to look at one of our most powerful barrier heat shields. You interested? Stay tuned, check it out. So the last time we talked about heat shield sleeving, but what about barrier heat shields? It's kind of the same concept, except instead of wrapping a hose or some wires, you're actually going to cover the surface of an area that you don't want heat to get through. One of the best examples of a premium heat shield barrier is our sticky shield. Ba-bam! The applications are so universal that we've cut them up into a few varieties: industrial, automotive, and kitchen. We've modified each product to make it better for their respective applications. We're not going to look at each application in detail, but at the end of this video, you're going to figure out why this product is so great. Although there are several different sizes, at the end, it comes down to a 3-layer construction. So the top is a dimpled aluminum. The center layer is a fiberglass core followed by a super sticky adhesive. It's all made in America and completely 100% asbestos-free. So the aluminum top is really there for rigidity and some reflectivity. The dense fiberglass core is really there to stop the majority of the heat. The super sticky adhesive back allows it to stick to almost anything. Before you stick this to anything, just make sure the surface is clean. If it's not, you're screwed. If it doesn't stick, you can always screw it in with a washer and a screw to make sure that it stays permanent, semi-permanent. Yeah, it may never come off. If you get this product, I highly recommend you watch this video so you can take the backing paper off without destroying the product. So it's a heat shield. How good is it at actually stopping heat? It can endure 1100 degrees Fahrenheit continuous. That means for a long time. It's going to knock down up to 90%. There have been tests done, and these are actually the real results. So 1100 degrees reduced by 90%, that's 110 degrees. Now, again, that's under perfect circumstances, but that's a lot. So obviously it's super powerful. And because of that, it's great for all sorts of applications, which is why there are so many different types. Automotive sticky shield is great for keeping the inside of your car cool from heat leaking up through the floor or through the firewall. The kitchen sticky shield or MantleFlect Shield is great for the house, whether you're trying to keep heat away from your TV above your fireplace or coming in through your cabinets right next to the oven. The sizes may not be great for everybody. The best thing about this shield is it can be cut to your needs. However, if you're looking for something custom, we do offer OEM manufacturing. If you want details on any specific shield, leave it in the comments below and we'll be sure to answer that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was informative. If you saw something you liked, hey, let us know. If you didn't, there's always room for improvement, so just leave it in the comments. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace. I'm really speaking Italian with my hands. Above your mantle? Can you cut that together? Peace or whatever I want to say.